Okay, I guess this is the best I can do for the name of the mall. It's Robinson's Mall. Can I film you? Can I film you? Thanks. Well, they closed that restaurant that was here last time. I liked it. Pepper lunch. Looks like one of those not full restaurants. Oh yeah, look at that, number 20. I like that one. Definitely come back here. This is an awesome place. Pretty big mall. Don't know why I'm doing one on mall, but I guess I am. Krispy Kreme. They got lots of American style stuff here in the Philippines. One of the reasons I like it. Yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, time zone. Shakey's, I may not eat there. H&M, bunch of stuff here. Popeyes, I like Popeyes. Might come back here. There's a lot of stuff here. Movie theater up here on the 4th floor. I think it's only got 4th floor or 4 floors, at least in this area. Other area, it's a huge mall. Other areas might have more. I thought I remembered more floors. Dude, I just saw one of these on the 2nd floor. And we got one here on the 4th floor too. If you're wondering why I'm filming a lot more on the 4th floor, it's because there's less people. We got another one of those Tom's World down on the 3rd floor there. Hey, they're working on the 5th floor over there. Oh, there's Wendy's. I was looking for it. I thought they closed. Came here for vapes and money exchange. Thought I'd do a video of this place. And I got to walk around and see some definite possible places to eat in the future. So this place is very crowded today. I came to have lunch at Pepper Lunch and there was a line and there wasn't anywhere to sit, so I had to come up here to Popeyes. A lot more crowded than it was last time. Huh. There's a Denny's over there. I haven't seen an entrance where I could film the name of the mall. It's Robinson's Mall. And I think I'm done. You guys want to see more mall pictures? It's just a mall. What more can I film?